This is the video for the fourth option on our elective assignment. So, um, in my opinion, I think the hardest topic in the lab for me was probably like metacoding, like the whole concept of metacoding, because metabarcoding, because it was something that I've never really learned before. I did take AP and IB Bio, but we never really learned about meta barcoding because all we were taught was the traditional method. So meta barcoding was pretty new, including what it was, like what was in eDNA, and how you can use it, and how you, well, categorize and like present it is all pretty new to me because the other topics such as like PCR or DNA sequencing or already learned them. Like extraction of DNA, we've done a couple of times in school, and I would say what was really interesting was how the data from metabarcoding in DNA was presented in the taxonomy table as well as the metadata table, because we never really done anything like that. So it was a little confusing. There were a lot more detail than I thought they would be, especially with the meta the meta shoot, I forgot what it was called, but the meta coding table, right? Like it was, the location was very specified, as well as the time of weather, and there were a lot of things we had to observe, such as organisms around or just overall condition of the environment. I never really thought that collecting data is gonna take like being that detailed, especially like when it's actually on the location and all that, not the sample itself. So yeah, that was pretty interesting, and I would say that's about it. Since honestly, that was the only real new thing that was presented to me as an individual. So yeah, I think that would be definitely the most challenging topic. So yeah.